Let's learn how to unlock a permanently locked account. If your Snapchat account is locked and you don't know how to unlock it, don't worry. After watching this video, you'll know how to unlock it. The first thing you need to do is go to your web browser and type google.com. In the Google search, you need to type Snapchat support. When you do that, a page will open where you need to click on the first link. When you click on the link, a page with several options will open, and on that page you need to scroll down a bit. After scrolling, you need to click on the option Contact Us. When you click on that, a page with many options will open. You need to click on the first option, which is I think my account was compromised. When you click on that, 4 fields for filling in will appear. You need to enter your username, email address, mobile number, and in the 4th field you need to describe your problem. Write something like, "Hello, my account was accidentally locked. I have never used a third-party app or violated any terms." Then write something like, "Please unlock my account." After writing that, you need to click on the black button, Submit. After clicking on that within 1 to 2 days, you will receive a response and they will unlock your account. And that's it. That's how you successfully unlocked your account. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.